Well, this is a late James Sadler, late 20th century that is, probably 1970s, 1980s. 1.5 pint bell-shaped teapot with pedestal foot. Floral design, slightly Chinese-esque in its design. Probably a camellia branch, this, with a floral bud on it. It's nicely decorated front and rear with decent sized panels of that decoration, and that's on pure white background glaze. Very, very clean, this one. Nice gilt lines put on by the decorators all around the handles and the upper rim, as you can see. Tea leaf retaining piercings in the actual base of the spout, which again is absolutely beautiful and clean. So no condition notes on this at all. Here's the little lid. Let's just show you that. Button handle, air vent, two tiny little blocks of the decoration, and a retaining lip just on the opposite of the flat section. Makes it a very functional and safe teapot to use. James Sadler marks we should show you on the base. There we go. Sadler, England, 3931 is the pattern reference put on there by the gilt decorator, and it's also got the late 20th century Sadler banner and crown mark, as you can see, made in England. So a very nice period 1.5 pint teapot in fine condition, ready for use or display. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. We'll pop a link in the description below taking you through all the measurements, details and the all-important pricing are on the website listing. If you'd like to find out more, please click on the link below. Thanks for watching.